Have you ever wondered why some people are completely obsessed with their motorcycles? To them, a motorcycle is not just a machine, it becomes a part of who they are. Every scratch tells a story, and every ride creates a new memory. If you're one of those riders, this video is for you. According to psychology, when people invest their time, effort, and emotions into something, they naturally develop a strong emotional attachment to it. That's why a motorcycle often becomes much more than just a way to get from one place to another. For many riders, a motorcycle represents freedom. The moment they hit the road, they feel like they're leaving behind stress, pressure, and everyday worries. Studies have also shown that riding requires intense focus, which helps many riders feel mentally refreshed and relaxed after a ride. People who know every bolt, every sound, and every detail of their motorcycle often enjoy the feeling of control and mastery. Human beings naturally feel more connected to things they understand deeply. That's why many riders spend hours cleaning, maintaining, or upgrading their bikes. It's not just maintenance, it's a relaxing ritual that helps reduce stress. Another interesting psychological fact is that motorcycles often become part of a person's identity. Some people love classic motorcycles, others prefer sport bikes, while some enjoy restoring old motorcycles. These choices often reflect their personality, values, and lifestyle. Motorcycle communities also strengthen this obsession. When riders go on group rides, attend events, and share experiences, they develop a sense of belonging. They're not just riding motorcycles, they're becoming part of a community that shares the same passion. However, like any passion, balance is important. Loving your motorcycle should always go hand in hand with responsibility. Wearing a helmet, following traffic laws, and keeping your motorcycle well maintained are essential habits of every responsible rider. In the end, people who are obsessed with their motorcycles are not simply in love with a machine. They are in love with the freedom, peace, confidence, adventures, and unforgettable memories that every ride brings. If you feel the same way, let us know in the comments. What does riding truly mean to you?